Hey everyone, welcome back to Ayaz Tech. We are in another raw, unscripted coding session today. No plans, no rehearsed steps, just spontaneous coding guided by the AI wisdom of ChatGPT. We are continually pushing the envelope to see what AI and human collaboration can achieve in coding. Today's project is something I'm sure many of you will find useful, an image cropper that we are going to build. We are talking about a tool where you can upload an image and crop it to dimensions specified by you. As always, we are using React.js and Tailwind CSS, and every line of code will be generated with the help of ChatGPT. So let's not waste any more time. Let's dive in and start building. So this is my React.js project that is configured with tailwind.css. It is currently running in my browser. So let's begin. So this is my ChatGPT 4. Here I will ask it to create the image cropper for us. First of all, I will write a quick prompt, but I will not use that. I will ask ChatGPT to optimize that prompt because sometimes our prompts are not perfect, so we might not get the desired outcomes. So I will write it now. Create an image cropper by using React.js and Tailwind CSS, and I will tell it provide me full code without skipping anything, and make sure that app is um, highly user friendly, attractive, and modern, ready to be used on production. So let's see. Oops, one second. I don't want to start. I want to optimize my prompt first. So I will tell it to optimize this prompt first. Could you provide me with complete production ready source code for creating an image cropper application using React.js and Tailwind CSS? The application should be highly user friendly, visually appealing, and modern in design. Please include all necessary components, utility functions, and styling to make it fully functional application. Make sure not to skip any steps. Provide comments for clarification. So let's see if this is a good prompt or not. So it is saying that this example uses React Easy Crop library to handle the cropping functionality. So meanwhile it is creating, I will just quickly look at this library, that what it is and what is the weekly usage of this app. So we can see that weekly, this is the weekly downloads. That's mean it is highly being used and very famous. It has a lot of demos that we can quickly take a look at how it is going to work. So these are in sandbox. It has all of documentation. So let's go back to the ChatGPT. So first of all, we need to install these components, these libraries. So this is the easy crop and this is headless UI React. So let's look at this library. There is also a website. So headless UI, completely unstyled, fully accessible UI component designed to integrate beautifully with Tailwind CS. Okay, very nice. So this looks very attractive. And this is the library. So let's install it. Let me copy paste this entire command. And this is the project structure. We have these files. Also, we have this image cropper. So we need to generate this file first in the source directory. Now, this is going to be the index.css file that is also implemented. Let me remove other code. Okay. After that, this is the code for the image cropper. So let's copy it and paste in the image cropper component. And after that, we have crop image function. So we also need to create this file to keep the crop image functionality in it. Okay, for now I will just paste it, but I will get help from ChatGPT to add the implementation here. Next, we need to add the app.js code. And after that, it still did not give me the implementation. So it is saying that the code I provided was incomplete and lacked the cropping function and Tailwind CSS styling to make it fully functional production ready application. Let's fix that. Okay, nice. We already have installed these packages, as you can see. Let me quickly get a URL from internet. So for the image, so let's pick any nice picture. Okay, so this file is ready. I will replace it with the old code. And this is the crop image.js file. All right. Now, let me copy this URL and go back to the app.js here, add that URL. And now let's check if that is working. Right now it is saying that module not found cannot resolve canvas. So let's ask ChatGPT about this problem. I am getting this. So ChatGPT will be able to help us in this case. It is saying that it looks like I mistakenly included a server-side canvas package reference in the client-side React application. You should not be able to use native HTML canvas API directly. Let's correct that. Okay. Right. Uh, Let me reload it. It is saying that image not found. Why is that? Oh, I need to add this URL here. Okay, it is still saying that maybe we're supposed to add the image URL somewhere else as well. So okay, this is a course error. Uh, so it is asking us to add this specific line. It is after the image, and okay, now the error has no error is still there. Let me replace this entire code. I'm still getting the same error, so maybe I should try some other picture. Hmm. By the way, it is not a good practice. I think there should be an input file where user clicks, and it will let user to pick file from their computer, and then it will work. So let me change that with code so that user could upload their own file, the own image, and also make sure there is a download button so that user could download it after cropping. Okay, let's replace app.js file, and after that no changes here. You can keep using this as it is. Okay, all right, now I need to select a file. So for example, I select this one. There is a strange thing that so I need to tell ChatGPT that there is a preview below. So it is saying that you can make the UI more modern by utilizing Tailwind CSS for better styling. Also, if you only want a download link without displaying the cropped image, you can remove the image tag and keep the download link only. Here is your app.js file. So let's use it. Okay, now we have a button. Let me pick an image. As soon as I picked an image, I can see a cropper, but now the size is too small. So let's tell about this to ChatGPT. Now cropper tool is too small. So improve it. Okay, it is saying that if you find the cropping tool too small, you can easily increase its dimension by updating the styles in the crop container class. So we need to add this. It is still not looking good. So crop container is still taking around, as you can see, 60 pixel of height. Also, the interesting thing is that it has, we just downloaded a library somewhere here, headless UI, but I don't see it being used anywhere. So I need to remind him, the chat GPT about this as well. You installed, but you never used it. Why? So meanwhile, it replied that I will test this code, the app.js. Okay, now it looks like that it is working. So let's see. Okay, this is how it looks like right now. If you want to crop, for example, this specific part, then now click on the download cropped image. It just downloaded an image and you can see only that part was cropped. So functionality and logic is currently working. All right, we did it. Another raw coding session wrapped up and we have built an image cropper from scratch, all with the help of ChatGPT. A huge shout out to this AI for guiding us through every line of code. I hope that this journey has been as enlightening for you as it has been for me. We have discovered that when AI and human ingenuity come together, there is very little we can't achieve. If you have enjoyed this raw explorative coding session, please give this video a like and consider subscribing for more of the same. Your support helps us to venture deeper into the world of AI assisted coding. This is Ayaz Tech signing off for now. Keep coding, keep experimenting, and never stop learning.